If you sell expertise, trust is your currency. And the fastest way to earn that trust online is through thought leadership. But here's the thing. Thought leadership isn't about posting all day or sounding like a guru. It's about showing up with useful insights, simple explanations, and real outcomes that prove you know your stuff. For solo consultants and boutique firms, content marketing is how you do it, consistently and efficiently. Start with your positioning. Pick a lane. Be clear about who you help, what painful problem you solve, and the outcome you deliver. That clarity makes it easy for prospects to say yes. Next, pick your main content home. Your blog should be your hub. Publish helpful guides that answer the exact questions you get on calls. Then repurpose that content into short LinkedIn posts, videos, or even a podcast episode. Don't overthink it. Every post or video should do one thing: help your audience solve a small part of their problem. That's how trust builds. One clear, honest piece of content at a time. Share proof along the way. Case studies, quick wins, testimonials. These turn attention into belief. Thought leadership isn't about being famous. It's about being found and trusted by the right people. You don't need to be everywhere, just show up with focus and consistency. If you want a plan that fits your niche and your calendar, MarketinGear can help. We'll map out your content, SEO, and lead system, and give you a 30-day plan you can use right away. Click below to book your free strategy call.